Hello, welcome to AVEM Project Department. Here we will share you the project undertaken by us or even with collaboration with our dealers and reseller to make the project as successful as possible. If you have doubt on our products, doubt on our brand, or doubt on AVEM, this project may be good reference to you to make up your mind. In this video, I will share you on an installation for Baker's Cafe and Restaurant in Penang. This project is successful from the collaboration between our reseller, Kids Music Production, and AVEM. This project is unique and has very wonderful story to tell. It all began in 2020, just before the pandemic crisis and just before our MCO 1.0. As you can see the pictures from the left hand side, you can see the main entrance of the Baker's Cafe and Restaurant. Initially, we install a simple sound system to them, a Behringer X1622 USB mixer powered by amplifiers KM1700 from Behringer as well. And then for speaker, we are proposing the ProL LT12P, a 12-inch passive speaker, 300 watt. And then for wireless mic, we propose to them the IVA U2002 Mark II wireless microphone. So this is a very simple PA system for simple cafe use. So we have done a good job and they are very satisfied with the outcome of this system. However, once we completed our installation, the MCO 1.0 was announced and we have a total lockdown. After that, the economy gradually comes back, business is coming back, the end users, the patronage is coming back to this cafe. So after MCO 1.0, CMCO 1.0, RMCO, so when the business come back, they have this requirement to enhance the sound system. They need a low frequency. Therefore, we propose IVA SUB118, the 18-inch subwoofer to them. And this is a 600 watt subwoofer, and to power it, we need a quite powerful power amplifier as well. That's why we propose an IVA DPE 2.10. This is a 2-channel 1000 watt power amplifier. So let's have a look on some of the photos. So this is the ProL LT12P. The sound quality is quite Italian, and then they have this very nice and fine high frequency reproduction. And then this is the Behringer Zenix X1622 USB. It's a 12-channel mixer. As you can see, all this connection, we have a wireless mic, we have CD players, and some of the music's input to this mixer. So this is not a big mixer and not a small mixer. So we still have 1 or 2 slot for future upgrading. If any more inputs that need to be inserted, we still have the slot for them. And this one is a power amplifier, the KM1700 by Behringer. So this is a 500 watt per channel. So we have 2 channels. This amp is what we are using to power our LT12P ProL passive speaker. And the combination of this amplifier and the speaker is mamma mia, very nice. And this is our second time we upgrade the system for them, which is the IVA subwoofer. This is a 600 watt subwoofer. And then we have the power amplifier by IVA DPE 2.10, the 1000 watt per channel amplifier to drive the subwoofer. And above you can see the wireless mic IVA U2002 Mark II wireless mic. So after we install or we upgrade with the subwoofers and the power amplifier, then MCO came, and this is very bad for them as well. So eventually MCO 2.0 is being lifted and the business came back. When the business came back, then they require another upgrade. So which is they need a karaoke song selection to ensure that the patronage or their customer who came, that who want to sing or who want to listen to the song, they're able to choose the song they want. So that is why we give them a karaoke song selection machine. So in this karaoke song selection machine, at least there's 10,000 types of songs, from Malay songs, English song, Chinese song, and Tamil song. So it depends on what kind of song they want. So this is the third time we install for this Beckers Cafe. However, once we upgrade with this karaoke machine, MCO 3.0 is being announced. And now we are on MCO 3.0 plus, and we don't know what will happen in the future. Here you can see there's overall pictures of this Beckers Cafe and Restaurant. And not forgetting also there are some blind spots. And here we are using Emix WS740 column system to install at the blind spot. So to ensure that there's a very even coverage all along the cafe and the restaurant. End users, the cafe owners, trust us, trust our reseller, trust our product, and trust our brand. So if you still have doubt on our products, our brand, or AVM, or doubt on our dealers, this project should let you make up your mind that we can deliver good sound quality to you, to your venue, or to your requirement. So that's it for today. We will be sharing more about projects reference in the future, and I will see you again in the next project reference video. And bye bye.